And now the end is near. There goes Dave, our endeavor. We don't know if we'll see him again before summer or not.
I know. This is the sad part.
This could be it.
When friends leave and then you don't see each other for a season or two.
Yeah. There he goes. They're coming right over us.
They like us. We just got done dumping the trash at the rest area and we're going on a little adventure. It's something that we've been wanting to check out for a couple months now. And since this is our last day down in the area, we thought we would go check it out. It is the Old Plank Road. So years and years and years and years ago, it was difficult for vehicles to get across these sandy dunes here. So a wooden plank road was constructed so that people could drive from the San Diego area to Yuma. So we're gonna go check out. There's a little tiny section of it left, and it's all the way down here, just past the Buttercup Dunes. So we're gonna go check it out, see if we can find it. So we are here at the Old Plank Road. What?
Well,
What?
you know, on the Saturday Coffee Chat a few weeks back, I torqued. Now I'm gonna plank.
So here we go. Here's some history on it before we head over to see it. So 8-foot sections of the plank road were constructed off-site and transported to the dunes for assembly.
11 years?
Yep.
Huh.
So there's a section right over here that we're gonna go check and see. They have preserved some of it for posterity. So Plank Road Historic Site. So here's part of it that they've preserved.
So this is amazing. They hit the tires, meant there was a turnout on the road.
Wow, look at that.
Hey, look at me. I'm planking.
Oh, yay. So this was so cars could drive through this dune area. So there's more of it up over here. It's not hot. Tom was checking the sand to see if it was too hot for Bear. But I'm walking in sandals, so it's not hot.
I guess I should have worn my sandals.
Like me? I actually have flip-flops on, but...
Pretty interesting.
So this plank road is very close to the Mexican border. There is part of the wall. So the border is very close, and don't let the way that looks fool you. It's very, very high, as we've shown when we've been at the border in Mexico as we leave the gate. It's very high, and those are very big, thick iron posts. So it's just the plank road area that they've preserved is just down here. Obviously there's a lot of OHV riding to do, and you can camp down here. But there's the road right there. Right there. So before Blacktop was around, they had to have a way to get from San Diego to Yuma, or to Phoenix even. I think they came this way. Well, we came down American Girl Mine Road. We had never come back here before, and this is the very end. So obviously it's still an active mine. There's a great big huge pit over here we're not going to even go close to, but we did want to get some pictures of this gorgeous Ocotillo over here. So I'm gonna walk a little bit closer. Oh, you can see some runoff came down. Here's a little wash right here. So no wonder they're beautiful. Look at how gorgeous. So many flowers. Beautiful.
Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it.